Welcome to Study Loop.
To construct a confidence interval estimate of the standard deviation of the wait times for a population with the drug treatments, we'll use the chi-square distribution since we're estimating the population standard deviation. The formula for the confidence interval is the square root of n minus 1 times the standard deviation squared over the chi-square upper, and then the square root of n minus 1 times the standard deviation squared over the chi-squared lower. Alright, so we know that n is 29, s is 41.1, alpha is 0.02, the degrees of freedom is going to be 1 minus the sample size, so 28. Our chi-square critical values the chi-square lower is 13.5647 and the chi-square upper 48.2782. So our confidence interval is the square root of 29 minus 1 times 41.1 squared over 48.2782, and our upper boundary is the square root of 29 minus 1 times 41.1 squared over 13.5647. And doesn't say what to round to. I'll just go 4 places. And this is 31 point, well, maybe I'll just go 31.3. And the lower is about 59.0 to 1 decimal place, and as a result indicate that the treatment was effective. I would say since the confidence interval contains a range of values for the standard deviation, it doesn't really provide strong evidence to conclude that it was effective or not. The confidence interval indicates the range within which the population standard deviation is likely to lie, but doesn't directly address the effectiveness of the treatment. So I wouldn't be very confident on stating that the treatment is effective.